Right, lads, it's been a minute. I didn't take no trades last week. On plus, we're still demo trading. Inshallah, we most likely start trading again next week on Monday. Not tomorrow, next week. I've been taking a break of trading from when I last blew my 5th account, which was like 2 weeks ago. So we haven't traded for like almost... We didn't trade the whole last week and this week, so it's been a nice break, I can't lie. But nevertheless, let's get to this analysis. So on the monthly, we did take out the previous month's high, so I do expect a little retracement before we go higher. Weekly, look at this fair value gap right here. I'm not gonna note it down because, like I said, guys, I'll say it once again, I do not need to know what the weekly is gonna do, what the daily is gonna do, what the monthly is gonna do. I just need to know what's gonna happen in my session 2-3 hours later, and what happened 2-3 hours before. That's all I need to know. But nonetheless, we'll do it. So we've closed above this. This is a very key, crucial point. Since we did take out last month's high and weekly high, and we closed above a bearish fair value gap, a weekly one. So what I do expect for this weekly thing to do, I low-key should start swing trading though. I'll put this like this. I guess once I start to get... I can't lie, I do really want to go back to swing trading. Anyways, I would expect it to go down a bit. There's an order block right here on the weekly and the higher time frame. Come down and then go up. So what I expect is what's not working? So I expect us either go up, down, beam, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Point is up, down, bow. So that's the weekly. On the daily, we do still have this bearish fair value gap on daily, which is getting respected heavy, as you can see. But I would like to see sometime this week, one of these days, possibly Wednesday or Thursday, close above this gap. We do have this inverse, but as long as we close below this one. Right, lads, I'm back. Sorry about that. My cat doing a mad thing. So like I said, if we close above this one, I'm not too stressed about this inverse right here. So that's that. Nice breaker block right here. On the 4 hour, yes, we've got this massive bearish fair value gap. Like I said, I will probably gonna be slowly going up and down, unless probably Wednesday or Thursday is just gonna fling up. So we'll let that play out. I'm not gonna go on the 1 hour. And then on S&P is the same thing, I think. On the S&P, we have an inverse, lovely, and another brand new fair value gap. So like I said, come down possibly, fill in both, fly up. There's a rejection right here, rejection block, highs right here. We did take our previous... Oh, wait, hold on. This is the monthly. What am I talking about? Sorry. We do have an inverse, but we closed above it. I don't think I'll go any lower than that. Ooh. We do have this fair value gap right here. I wouldn't say respected, because it's still inside it. We closed inside it, so we're most likely going to come down a bit, go up. I don't really use consequent encroachment. Yeah, consequent. equilibrium of this range. Let's just say that. I do not want to see it go below this wick as much, this order block. Going any lower than that is a bit crazy, but like I said, I don't really care what the weekly, monthly, the daily is going to do. But yeah, I'd like to see this close. So on the daily, what's this? SMT. Yeah, I would want to see us close below, above this bearish fair value gap on the daily, turn that to an inverse. Then we can start swinging higher. Use these as breaker blocks. We do have this massive daily fair value gap right here. Most likely, if we take out these highs here, is when we will most likely to start entering here and closing above it. Inverse right here. It did close up below it, but 4 hour, we do have a bullish fair value gap. Yeah, we did have it. I'm just saying, I'm feeling bullish for this whole month. To be honest, I'm thinking bullish. We're gonna go back to original prices. But yeah, guys, man. If I missed anything out, just let me know in the comments. Market should be opening very soon. Actually, is market not open now? Oh, we are delayed by 10 minutes. Also, news days I will be trading, demo trading. Monday, Tuesday I won't be trading because price will probably be still very slow. Monday, I like trading Mondays, is one of my winning days. Wednesday is, I've realized it is the days I lose majority of my trades. Is a very bad day. I want to start getting my confidence back up on Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Thursday definitely a trading day. Friday, I don't really trade Fridays unless there's like news like this, so we might trade Fridays. Might. The reason I don't like trading Fridays is because it's the last day of the week, last trading day of the week, and price often moves slow on a Friday. So we'll see how Friday goes. If there's a big range on Thursday, then I don't expect anything big on Friday. But the days we'll be trading is Monday and Thursday. Okay, guys, my battery just died. But yeah, that was the... Whoa. Now my monitor just shut down as well. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. See you lot soon, inshallah, on tomorrow. And yeah, man, assalamu alaikum, man.